simple. And not really that big a deal. Sorry about that. Truth be told, I'm just waiting to either have my first service done or do it myself. I haven't really decided which route I'm gonna go yet. I already have the kit. Got everything I need. Oil change kit, the front and rear diff fluid, some extra old stuff there. So yeah, sorry to be dramatic. It's right here. I just hauled it out to be dramatic. My bad. So part of the reason I haven't been riding is just because I need to get the first service done. I've kind of been putting it off. And the other thing, having gearbox problems again. Just went in and got the key. But anyway, that's the reason I haven't been out. But I don't really need the first service yet. What I do need is my gearbox fixed up. Again, you may remember in a previous video, I had the whole thing replaced. I'll put a link to that down in the description. Now, we've got another issue. So ever since I brought it home that very day of getting replaced, there was a little bit of gearbox oil dripping from the skid plate in the frame. And I just chalked it up to the dealer being a bit sloppy when they filled it up. You know, places are busy, these things happen. I didn't think too much of it. I ran it pretty much all summer after that and had no issue. And then after the last real good run I had, I noticed it's leaking again. So that's why I really haven't been out on it. I got on it here just a little bit out in the pond here just to check that out, but I haven't been on it at all. It's just been sitting. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you much. It's pretty dark under there. And I don't know if it's dripping at the moment or not. Oh yeah, you can tell. I pull the skid plate down, you can see a little bit. I get the light and the camera to focus. That might be where it's coming from. It's wet around there, but that looks tight. So I don't know what's going on. There's no gaping holes in it like when the gearbox blew up. So I really have no idea. So I'm waiting to have that looked at. So that's what I'm currently dealing with. Need to get the first service done. Not really. It's a little early, but wanted to be better safe than sorry. And I need to get that gearbox looked at and see what's going on because I really can't tell. Not a mechanic. I learn a lot of stuff from YouTube, and what I do figure out, I tell you guys. And I mean, little things like handlebar risers and that kind of stuff, I mean, I can handle that. But when it comes to engines and gearboxes and all that stuff, I'm better off leaving it to the professionals. I ain't screwing something up learning it from YouTube. So just waiting on a buddy of mine to come out and have a look at that, and then we'll be back in business, and hopefully we'll even get out for a rip when he gets here. In the meantime, check this out. Get yourself some fin trail. That's deeper than I thought. Got a good feel for the bottom though. And I love these boots. Because they're boots, not connected to the waders. Looks way better, feels way better. Can't beat it. Fin trail, baby. Woo! Trust me. Hey, don't trust me, trust the best. They all wear it. So anyway, that was a quick clip from the last time I was actually able to get out. Now, like I said, it's just sitting. Just wanted to give you guys a little something, but I'm sorry I had to clickbait you a little bit. I wanted to make a video. I like filming them. I like editing them. I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. So in the meantime, follow me on Instagram, Out the Woods, with 2 S's at the end. Link's always in the description. Fin trail link's always in the description too. Till next time, not sure exactly when that's gonna be, so hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time. Peace. Whoa, we got a Cashman appearance. What do you want to say?
Hi guys, I just came into the house right now.
That's all you got?
Yeah.
All right, peace.